Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the December box for Allure. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription that is put out by the beauty editors at Allure. It is $25 a month. Now you can get it a little cheaper per month depending on what the specials are when you sign up, and if you sign up for more than 1 month at a time, if you prepay for 3 months or 6 months or so on. I did this one with a 3-month subscription, so mine was, I want to say, like 20 something dollars, 21-ish dollars a box. This box is going to have this box will have 6 or more items. 3 of them or more should be full size, and the rest will be deluxe size samples. And in total, it should be over $100 value. So let's check it out. I want to say on this box, we may have had a choice to choose what, this is what it looks like on the inside. One of the products, like for a shade. You don't always get that option with Allure, but sometimes you do get something that you get to pick a shade for. I really don't remember, so I'm going to say I didn't, but we'll see. I want to show you. Now, in the box, we have a little pamphlet that will sometimes have product information for what's in the box, so hopefully it does in here. We shall see. The first one we're going to start with is from Tarte, and this is a Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream, and this is from Tarte. So this one, it is a full size, and this would be a $26 value. There are usually promo codes in here as well that you can use to buy the products from Allure and get a discount, or actually from, it might be from the Tarte website and using a discount code from Allure. This is in the shade Peppermint, and that's the shade color at the top. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, look at how pretty the container is. It's like a frosty rose gold. So pretty. Now, this has some product information about this lip gloss. This says, inside this slim bullet, you'll find a hybrid softening balm and satiny lipstick for moisturizing color with a very pretty sheen that makes it a great dry weather. That makes it great for dry winter days when lips are more prone to cracking, but you still want a glossy pop of color. The slender shape of the bullet makes it extra precise application, and you get to pick the shade you wanted. Okay, so this was a pick. So we did get to pick a shade color. Those are the other shade colors we could have gotten. It looks like this might be one of the darker shades, and it's super pretty. Look at that shade. Now, this is my sister's box, actually. She paid for this 3-month subscription, so I'm not going to swatch her lipstick. I will find out if she wants to try it. I know she's going to want to try it first. So, really pretty shade, though, and it's going to be a glossy balm with a little bit of color. Very nice. Our next product is from Palm. I think it's Palm, P-A-U-M-E, Palm. And this is a renewing hand serum, and this is in the signature scent, perfume signature. This is a full size, 30 ml size, and this is, oh. I'm looking at the wrong thing. This is the full size 60 ml, and this is a $42 value. Now, this one actually, my sister and I did try yesterday. I pulled it out of the box because we were wrapping Christmas presents and our hands were super chafy. So this comes out in a gel. So it's not really one you're going to put all over your hands unless you're dry all over. I get chafy on the back of my hands, so I just kind of did this with it and got it around where it's the worst. And it's, obviously I squirted out too much this time, so I'm getting it everywhere, but it does smell, it says it's in a perfume scent, but for me, I don't smell a lot of perfume on it. Again, you guys know my smeller's been a little out of whack, so it could have a smell, and I don't know. I will say, after I used it yesterday, this part of my hand specifically was chafy, and even though it still is a little bit, it's a lot better. So I do enjoy this, and going to get a lot of use out of that with Krista this winter, because it's always dry here in Oklahoma in the winter. Okay, so I think this is our last full-size product, and this is from Alchemist. And this is the Hydro Restore Day Cream. And this is a 2.1 ounce. And this one, this is a $50 value. This one is a $50 value for this full size. And it comes in a squeezy tube. I have a friend who claims all my Grown Alchemist, so this goes to her, but it is a metal tube, and I'm not going to open it because I'm not keeping this one. But Grown Alchemist is a great brand for sensitive skin. She gets it because her sister specifically has very sensitive skin and can't use every product, but Grown Alchemist is one that she can use and uses almost exclusively. So this is going to go to her, but that is a great product from Grown Alchemist. Now we're on to, I believe what we're looking at, deluxe samples. This one might be a full size. I bet you. This is True Soft Argan Oil. And, okay, this is not full size. Okay, so this is a 30 ml size. The full size is 100 ml for $39.90. This is an easy to spread formula with argan and other oils that is light yet moisturizing. It forms a superfine frizz protective coat with dimethaconol, I think, for hair that's smoother and shinier all day long. So you just smooth a small amount onto damp, dry hair from mid-links to the ends and style as usual. So even though it's only 1 ounce, that should actually give you a good bunch to use. And I can't tell if that's the base of it or if it needs shaken up. That's the base of it. So really nice hair product. Now our next product is Dinky Winky, and this is actually from Sephora. This is a Sephora brand, which is, to me, it's weird to have a Sephora brand in here since Sephora, they used to do their own subscription, but they don't anymore. But also this is so tiny. A 30 ml size is $21, and this is 8 ml that's in the box. So this is not even a third of a full size, but this is a glow serum with vitamin C. And it's the time of the year when you need a little more help in the radiance department. That's where vitamin C comes in. You just smooth it on like a serum, but there's so little in here, you won't get much use out of it, but you can try it a few times. At least with the skincare products, that there's not really enough to notice a difference. There's at least enough to know whether it's going to react to your skin if you have sensitive skin or not. So that is a nice one. A little tiny, but not super impressive, but it's there. So our last item in the box is from Inisfree, and this is a daily UV defense mineral sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 45. So this is a little Inisfree. Inisfree is a Korean beauty, a K-beauty brand. So this is a little thing of daily sunscreen. So if you are running around in the winter, there's still sunshine. This gives you, I would maybe just use this on your face as a facial sunscreen because there's not much in it, which may be its intent. Very likely that it is the intent for this one because it is so small. And it also says color correcting, so maybe it works with irritated skin to help take some of the redness away. But this is our sample products. We got 3. And these are our full-size products. We got 3. So even if you paid $25 for this box, this product alone is double that. You are going to always get your money's worth. I 100% see we got our at least $100 value in this box as well. So Allure is a great one to try. This one was, with the exception of the lip balm, which could still be considered a skincare, this was all skincare products in this box, but sometimes you will get really nice makeup products in here as well. I think probably coming into the winter, we're a little more focused on skincare because of how the change in weather affects our skin and different things. So this was a good one to get, especially that hand cream. I can already tell it, just a little bit I used, it's improved that just from that one use. So something that can make a difference with one use, I'm in. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, I would love for you to hit subscribe and be part of my YouTube channel family. And if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that notifications bell if you don't want to miss out on future videos. But for now, thanks for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and you have a great rest of your day. Bye.